Yeah.
Hey now. Welcome to Saturday Snippets from the workshop. Let me wind this bobbin here. Figured
Ooh, that seems so exciting.
Isn't it exciting? Everybody wants to see winding a bobbin. This is what I think of when I'm winding bobbins.
Just circles.
Circles are good.
Yes.
We love circles.
Many U-turns.
U-turns? How many U-turns are we going to do on Dead Tour this summer?
I'd rather not think about it. Wow.
Bobbins.
You're done.
I love this Kenmore. This is my baby. Not the first machine I ever had, but the longest one. Look, it's got this cool thing up here for pattern cams. I used to use those a lot. Now we're all about the speed and function.
And the gay 80s music behind us.
Turn around.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
There's those big bags yesterday. Still waiting on pictures. Okay, speed it up.
I gotta figure out where I was when I lost the bobbin. When the bobbin was out. Always backpack, my friends. Don't try this at home.
And more circles.
Circles!
Woohoo! Gotta love the circles.
Backpack, my friends. I need you tonight. Oh. Gotta love some 80s, man. Oh, where's my trash can? You gotta do the...
Okay, stop goofing off.
Tag it. Bag it. Tag it.
Oh, the fishies.
Alright. Corners.
More corners.
Gotta go around in circles.
Okay, the video's getting too long, Jess.
Is it too boring? Are we boring you out there?
I don't know.
Is it fun to watch us go in circles?
Yes, you should see when we go on the road on circles. It's nice and relaxing. I just have to reset every time.
Reset?
Yep. Okay, say bye, Jess.
Bye, Jess. Have a grateful day.
Thanks for watching. Sign off.